Hello everyone, I'm Miss Azra Anik here. Welcome. Today we are diving into the world of grammar to explore the parts of speech. But don't worry, it's not just your average grammar lesson. Think of the parts of speech as in the characters of a movie. In each character, it has its own unique role to play in creating an awesome story. So in every sentence, the word has a job to play, just like the actors in a movie. So we've got 8 main parts of speech. So let's meet the cast. First up, meet the nouns. They are the stars of the show, like places, people, things, or ideas. Just like in movies, the story often revolves around them. Nouns can be taken as the main characters. So, for example, Harry Potter, New York, dreams. So, without them, there's no plot. Next, we have the pronouns, the helpful assistants. They make the things easier by standing in for nouns. So instead of saying Harry Potter again and again, we can call him as he. So they are like the stunt doubles filling in whenever needed. Then there are verbs, the action stars. They bring the story to the life with moment, just like the doors. Explore, smile, run, read. So you all know that the verbs drive the story forward. Now, adjectives. Adjectives add color to the story by describing the nouns. So the adjectives tell us more like which one, how many, or what kind of. So instead of telling just a wizard, we can call it as a brave wizard. So you all know that adjective makes the story more vivid. Adverbs are like special effects. It modifies not only verbs but also adjectives and adverbs. It shows us like how, when, and where something happens. So for example, if Harry Potter moves quickly or spells beautifully, that's the adverbs adding flair. Prepositions are like the directors of the scene, showing us the relationship between the words. So for example, if Harry Potter is on the train or under the tree, preposition tells us where everything fits correctly. Conjunctions are like glue, sticking ideas together. So the words like and, but, so, or linking phrases or sentences helping things flow. So conjunctions are the editors that make sure that everything goes smoothly. Lastly, we have the interjections. So interjections brings the emotions out of us. They are like the sound effects in a movie. So for example, wow, oops, yay. So it pops out the excitements, the feelings we have out of us. So it's like the applause from the background. Now that we have met our cast of characters, let's see them in action. Picture this sentence. Harry quickly grabbed his wand and shouted, wow! Can you spot the parts of speech in this sentence? Let's try it. Grammar is like storytelling. Each word has its purpose, working together to create meaning. So next time when you're writing, think of parts of speech as your own cast. What roles would each word play in your own story? Thank you for watching, and if you found this fun, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more interesting English lessons. Thank you.